y'all, so this weekend my wife and family and I are out here camping at Melvern. Just had a good night. I slept pretty good. Wheeler man hung in there and did pretty good last night. But this morning I'm after some crappie. I got some little minnows and I got some jigs. Water is almost 63 degrees this morning, so hopefully we can get on some big slab crappie. There is a kayak catfish tournament, or a bass tournament going on right now. There's boats and kayaks everywhere, but let's see if we can catch some crappie. There we go. Yeah. It's a good crappie. The water is up, which is good. It's flooded a lot of this brush. I'm just back in this little pocket. There's a old flooded tree here. Real shallow. Nice little smallmouth on the little hair jig. Nice pretty one. Cool. He was fun. I bet someone in that tournament would really like to have him right about now. Minnows is just really slow. It's not really happening for me, at least here. I'm just kind of throwing a jig up here in these little bushes. See if I can't get a little active bite for some crappie. Alright y'all, so it's been a while since I've been back on the water. We ate lunch, cooked up some steaks. We were sitting there at the campsite kind of fishing from the bank, just messing around. And I was wondering why there's so many boats here too. There's a crappie fishing tournament going on top of the bass fishing tournament. But we just found a little pile of crappie. And I've caught 3 slabs. You can hear them. There's some more on here, so we'll see if we can get them. Yeah, they're right there. Right there. This should be a for sure catch. Oh yeah, another slab. Big one, big one. Sorry, I'm not prepared. I kind of just came out to mess around. There's crappie boats all around. Man, I got him good. Oh yeah. Nice crappie. Big hits. There's a bunch on there. I just can't believe these haven't been all caught. There's been just boat after boat after boat. I'm gonna hit this again tomorrow. I didn't hardly bring any tackle out here. I've already lost one jig, and I only have one left. Down to my last minnow, which I don't need the minnow, but I don't have any other jigs. There's just little piles out here, but they are loaded up with big crappie. I gotta find the pile again. My spot lock is just floating around here. It's kind of the problem when there's no wind with spot lock. Honestly prefer a little bit of wind and then just point into it, and I'm going to stay pretty much right there. That's a big fish. There's fish jumping all around me. Right on his head. Come on. Thunk. Thunk. Yep. Thunk. Yep. No, they're big in. Big in. God, these are big crappie, man. Big crappie. I really hope those guys aren't seeing me. Just dandies. Yeah, I didn't bring a good camera mount. I didn't bring anything, so literally I have my chest cam just laying on the kayak. That was my last minnow. I was running one with a minnow on it and one just jig. This is fun though. Oh, there's huge fish down there. This is a giant. Goodness gracious. I think a boat has caught on to me. My bail started slipping on that. He was pulling. Yep. Another big one. One of the smaller ones, but still a nice one. They're eating it, man. Be subtle. Boats have been fishing on top of each other like crazy all day long. Kayakers, boaters. I just got tired of it. Like it's just never ending. You think you'd clear up and then 15 boats would just show up. Yep, he got it. He came way up to get that. Like he came up probably 2 foot, yeah. A little smaller one. My hair jig is starting to fray. I'm gonna give this just a little bit longer, and this is my last jig. It's all tore up now. Go back to camp. I'm gonna fry up some fish. Should be a good time. It's gonna be a gorgeous, gorgeous day. Yeah, I probably should go. Well, we ended up with some good ones. I guess I can lay them out. Alright, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of them. That's pretty good for, I mean, I fished for a long time, but once we got on them, we were on them. 1, 2, 3. Half of them probably are over 13, which is always my favorite size. Let's get it clean. Worst part's getting ribs out. You think you're done, and then you're not. Some good fillets though. Water was 62 degrees when I got on this morning around 8 o'clock. When I went back out, it was 66. And then they were in 16 foot of water on brush. These are all females, but 2. With eggs still. So any day now they're gonna be spawning. Those are gonna be so good. So I got like 8 fillets in there. I like to just crack an egg in there. A little bit of shell. Got that fish with that egg in there. Marinating for a little bit. Got the fries done. We gotta add just some Louisiana fish fry. Just cooking it in peanut oil. Fries turned out really good. No. Just a couple feet Alright, y'all, we got the kayak back on the trailer just in time. I left it on the beach banked overnight and the wind came up. Half swamped my kayak. And there's big swell waves today. I was coming back to the ramp and it was just teetering, just full of water. So that was probably the scariest moment I've ever had on the kayak. But we got it all loaded up. We're all good. That was a fun trip. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.